Well, we are going to see a little bit more of a wintry mix last into the overnight and even a little bit into our Tuesday. Yes, some freezing drizzle is going to be possible, but it's going to be rather light. So, aside from a glaze here and there, a couple slick road conditions here and there, sidewalks, railings, things like that, shouldn't be too much of a big deal. But let's take a look at what's going on. This is starting at midnight into early Tuesday morning. Yeah, we got a little bit of that rain out there indicated by some green, and this is very, very light stuff, if most of it's even reaching the ground. The pink indicating the possibility for a little bit of freezing drizzle, and the blue, a little bit of light snowfall activity. This is now 3 o'clock in the morning, and again, not a huge deal. It's rather light, but it does start to make its way on out. The issue is, though, is it starts to linger around. So this is 8 o'clock in the morning for your Tuesday. Again, mostly seeing liquid come down, temperature starting to warm up and rebound a little bit. And then through the day Tuesday, it does start to clear out, aside from the eastern UP, which might have just a little bit of freezing drizzle linger around. And as we go throughout the day on Tuesday into the overnight into our Christmas Eve morning, again, not a huge deal. Couple light snow showers possible Christmas Eve morning, but then we start to gear up for our next system that's going to arrive a little bit later into Christmas Day. So this is picking up pretty much where I left off with the other model, and you can see Michigan here a little bit better. This is the European model. This is Christmas Eve morning at about 10 o'clock. You see that little wave of wintry mix, snow, sleet coming through the UP. Not a huge deal, and again, mostly quiet. Now we're starting to get overnight into Christmas morning, and again, the newest models here are throwing a little more dry air our way. So aside from a little bit of drizzle in the southwest part of the state, as you can see, not a huge deal. But into the day after Christmas, this is when our next storm system might come in, and this is indicating more of a wintry mix and the possibility for some more freezing rain or freezing drizzle. This is something I will be keeping an eye on. It's a little too far away right now to give you any major details on since everything is up in the air. But believe me, going throughout the week, I will definitely have updates for you because Christmas weekend is a big weekend, not only for travel, but for shopping, returns, things like that, and just spending time with our loved ones. I will have more updates as we get a little bit closer.